Yeah, hello, do you hear me? Yeah, that's perfect. I was like, where the hell are you, man? So yeah, guys, welcome to the stream, by the way. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome. Always nice. Well, need to create two. Let's duplicate this. Can we duplicate that one? Sure. Let's call that one map label. Detail label. Map label. Yeah, I don't know why my mic was messed up, but I'm kind of wondering why that happened. Details. Mouse filter ignore. Alright. So yeah, welcome guys to the stream, guys. Yeah, I after 12 minutes I actually find out that my mic was not working. So that's not great. We enabled. We what we do need more. What you were saying? Fit content. Fit content needs to be on. All right. Mouse filter is on ignore. So mouse filter is on ignore. Correct. Now I need to do it on the other one as well. So we have that on. Fit content. And we have ignore. Okay. So that works. Now I already made a sort of an icon there. It's not really that perfect. I mean, it is a little bit lighter and it is working. I mean, it is in the, it's above in the screen, so it is working. The Q code is working. I'm still thinking of another dice, another color dice, a little bit more better to the black background. But yeah, it looks quite good. I'm really happy about this one. It looks really good, and yeah. Further on the road, we actually gonna make it really really good. I was like, where was the music going? But I, I just closed it, you know. So I need to see where I need to have the is it hot one? Game scene hot. Is the game scene. So we need to do on the hot one. We need to push. We need to make that happen for the things. Sometimes I'm just walking blind on that. The aura way. Yeah, I must say I'm working on an AI thing. I must say I really love this thing, man. I truly love this. I think I can just add a child note. I think I can just add a script there. I mean, I mean, I might be a crazy guy, but I'm not that crazy, right? UI scripts. I'm not sure that I will do there. Let's scripts. So really with a big S? Yeah, it is. Create. Extend canvas. Quest tracker is the L key. I didn't talk about the L key for the quest tracker. Can you give me the key definitions again for the action bar? Let me see that he knows what we're creating. He still miss. Okay, okay. All right. He is doing that. Hi, Plus Buddy. How are you, man? Well, Cash Tracker is not what I have yet. Hmm. I must say, guys, I kind of like this. So it's really a nice thing to create these stuff. Let's save everything. And let's save this one as well. How are you, man? How are you, buddy? Can I close this some way? 2D, yes. Alright. So I think when I run it now, it will be having some errors. So that looks kind of my game screen. Those are the characters here. What you see here. This is the female version. This is the male version. So that's quite nice. It's debugger. Yes. Let me check this script for a bit. Yeah, that idiot did it wrong again. Um, mm, 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 mm. Margin container. Let's do it like that. Let's just copy this one. Yes, we need to have this. That works. If I'm correct, it will do not anything yet. So let's see what it does. Now we are still creating, and like I said, the rolling dice is actually working. I might want to make that a little bit bigger though. I want to have that a little bit bigger in text. If I'll be honest. But I'm not sure that will be a good idea. So only the debugger is there. Yeah. I don't have the quest tracker yet. Alright, let's build a quest tracker. I am done with the info bar. Oh, let's move to the quest tracker. After that, we need to make a script for the map for detecting the region world zone world plus hex numbers. Why are you seeing a black screen? I don't know. You see a black screen? That's weird. That's kind of weird because I don't see anything there. Let me just see that online. Let me see. No, it's perfect on my side. Yeah, it's perfect on my side, buddy. I don't know why you see a black screen, by the way. So, let's make the other one. I heard uh, a lot of fun, man. That Twitch is doing that. I had it on one stream. I cannot remember who, but um I don't know why it happened. It was kind of crazy. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. Did you reload? Did you disable some extensions? Twitch is having those idiot things, man. I'll be totally honest. Did I not say that we had? Yeah, but I don't know why, man. Sometimes it's just crazy. But I'm also on YouTube, buddy. So you can always join there. Exclamation mark. I and a T. We. Sorry. You tried everything? But. Jesus. Oh, guys, why I'm using AI? I still think it is possible to create a beautiful game with that. So, I'm still looking for what the hell is going to happen here. I have an hex tile. XD, do I need to know what it is? Well, I don't have anything. Okay. He is really going fast. that guy is crazy, dude. That guy is really crazy with Node RNG. We need to have a quest tracker. Panel container. This is the ghost box. Huh? Alright. I don't like ghost boxes, but that's okay. We need to have a margin. Margins on 10. All the margins? Everything on 10? Why? I mean, it is just a box. Timeline objectives, dull gold small. As we separated the brush, the fighter. V-box. This is where the actual tasks go in. So is he saying is he saying that he's placing text into that into that thing? I'm very good with saying that. I'm just trying to see what's going on there. I try to understand what I'm doing. Mm, it's quite interesting how he approached everything. So basically, objective contained is where the actual tasks go. Okay, yeah, I see. I kind of see where he is doing that, because in here when we have a task, it actually hey Sammy, hello man. So with this, he's actually saying, okay, well, listen up. That's where it goes, buddy. So that's where he says, the stuff with. I'm very good with talking at the moment. It's kind of cool what he's doing there. I found this quite interesting, guys. I really say that. I need to have an HC separator. I need again a VBox container. So that's cool. So what I need to have first can grow or shrink is a panel container. So one is a quest tracker. All right, we love that. The HUD, we need to make we need to make. Is that a control? Or is that a panel? Is that a panel? No, I need the other one. That I need. Thank you. Let's drop that somewhere. Well, I just making it there. Doesn't really matter. But I feel that it's quite nice to make this. So let's go back to 2D. Let's design. Cell panel. We still need to add the quest tracker on the other side though. So I'm still wondering what he is doing with the margin container there, because I know that a panel container needs to be on the other side. So I really need to check what the guy is doing, man. So I kind of need to have the same principle as with the other box. The quest tracker location. I want that below the info bar. Bit, Thank you. That's kind of what I need to make there. But let's build first the other one. I mean, it's it. I mean, it's just really it's really just crazy, guys. I must be honest. I'm just trying to understand what the hell I'm doing. So rename. I think I wrote it wrong. Like always. That's kind of, quest tracker. And then I need to have a margin, right? Margins, all 10? Okay. 5 by me. I need to have that. So we need to have that control one. We constant. So he doing everything 10. I found it quite much, but I mean that can be me as a guy, but I found it perfect actually, but so we need to have more. Ba 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 ba. V-Bucks container, is that actually the real name? That's kind of what I'm trying to think about. So let's see what he's trying to tell me over there. Uh, oh, he's just saying the V-Bucks container. That's just. So that's the color. That's the color. That's great. Uh, I'm just looking for what the hell is he trying to tell me here? Hmm. We're just going to make first that thing over there. What we have there. That's a lot of stuff. V-Box container. Then we need to have a label. Objectives. Dull gold small. I don't really care that it's white. Then we have a separator. Okay, that's cool. I can work with that. V-Box container. Yeah, V-Box container. Yes. We need to have a label now. My brain is not really that I say nice. So we need to have a text there. It's going to be objectives. Did he say dull gold small? Well, I want to have that big. I don't care what you say there. Team of red. Font size, I found it perfect actually, but I need to have outline. No, I don't want outline. I just want to have it fat. You know what I'm saying? Normal focus. I don't have focus, so you can get rid of that. Not sure how it looks like right now. Let me see. Objectives. Army is ready. Now I really like creating this type of a game. It feels so good, guys. It really feels good, man. Do I not rename this a title label? I want to see how he named that in here. So I don't have anything. Is he then ignoring? That's kind of what I wonder. Is he then ignoring the other one? I mean, do I miss something? Why is he making an image? I'm just going to point them out. I'm just going to point them out that we have a logic here. Now I need to scroll a ton back. We have this. Why not adding another edge separator and then for the side quest? I mean, you know, I, it's it's just a stupid idea, but you know, I mean, yeah. So we have basically too late. So I can add a control. We need to add a control there. So that's great. Main quest go there. Main objective container. So that is the thing. Blah 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 blah. So basically saying we're going to change a few things. I was really like, why, man? Why are you doing that like that? You know? So, story. Thank you. I mean, that is the easiest thing, I guess. Um, what do we need there again? I was kind of lost. Uh, oh yeah, an H separator. Do we have that? No, I need to look for that. There. Then I need to add the main title. story. Oh, actually, we'll use this. Then we need another P box. So he's adding a text over there. P box. All right, guys. I'll be right back. I sadly need to go to the toilet. So grab a snack, a drink, and I will see you soon. Right, I'm back, guys. If you have any questions regards the project, feel free to ask a question. I'm still wondering all the time what he's making. I'm just looking for what the hell he's doing. Margin container. So he is really saying quest list. Okay, I did not do that. I need to be honest on that too. Margin. So this quest list. Mm, maar you can quest list main objective container. I think you still forgot something, but I can be wrong. Oh, it's a label that's belong in that hierarchy, but we have that. Oh, okay. It's just a label. Okay. Sorry. What the hell do I need to name that one? So let's go. Let's. What? Ah, okay. Quest list. Ah, okay. I try to understand what the hell I'm doing there. There's a fee box. Yo, this is a fee box, but I don't really need that. Oh wait, I need a fee box container. So I have a label separator fee box container. Dude, separator. Well, okay, cool. I love when something is correct. Main objective. So, and basically I need to make the same stuff again. Alright. Okay, I don't mind that. Objective is over there. Fine by me. So we need to make basically a copy of that. Do I say it correctly? We need to add a control and then a side. Why everything needs to be in big text? Label the side title, main title. I don't need that. I mean, I don't really need that. Well, let's add a control to it. And then basically we need to duplicate this. Then we can just drag it down there. Side quest. Side quest. Then we need to have this guy again. So let's put that in here. I mean, it's very easy to do that. Let's call it separated 2 and let's make that a copy as well. Let's drop that here. And we need to rename this side quest, I think. Side objective. Side objective? Alright. I mean, you can call that. Side objective. I mean, you know, it's what you want, of course. I want to see this. Story, side quest. That looks quite nice, though. I need to add a little bit more of a divider over there, so I'm not quite happy with that result. So with our control, I cannot do that, right? Ten. Yeah, he was actually saying that. So quest list, margin, quest tracker, side objectives. So let me see that I did everything correct. Side title, main title. I mean, it's not really needed. Okay. That's it. I mean, that's really it. This the hot one. I mean, so I hope that I do correctly over here. I think I need to put that on top, right? Is it? Yeah, we are not done yet. Let's keep me that a little bit under control over there. It's quite nice though. I need to add more, so let's save this everything, save all. I really don't have a main thing yet. I don't have a map manager yet. What did you say? Hex grid? Hex tile. Okay. I don't have really this. What area 3D? To the environment. Yeah, this in my hex the script. All right. Well, I don't like that I have then errors because game state is not really what we have declared at the moment. So I'm not really that I say fine with that. And I think I still miss a. I think I still miss something. Where do I need to drop this? Map manager. All right. I don't really have a main map manager, but I mean, I don't have really a map manager. I don't really have a map manager inside. You mean my map? Oh, magic. I'm really good with. So we need to. So this is my map config file. So I will tell you what you need to do here in my game. You come into a world, you start somewhere, you have a little tutorial, you can skip it, but if you skip, you can miss some rewards, uh, or you, uh, or that I say, okay, you get the rewards anyway. But it is based on rolling a dice. It highlights the tiles in the neighborhood of the pawn where you can go to. When there are uh, free pathways lit up, um, you can still choose which style you want to be. I mean, you don't need to have really the most far away tile for going there. You can also choose it a little bit tactical, um, and that's kind of how it works. And randomly, you will go with a fight with an enemy, and I will need to make a battleground area where you actually can fight an enemy. I'm still debating with myself on how I want to do that, because or I want to do it a little bit like um uh God, I forgot the game name. Build a Gate? No, what's the name again? Yeah, Build a Gate. Something like that. Like that, you need to place your pawns perfectly on the map, and then from there you're actually going to attack a boss. So that's kind of what I'm thinking about. But I'm also thinking on a lot of other ways how you can do that. Now, and you can move in cities, you can move in dungeons, but only on yeah, you throw a dice. That's the whole difference. So not as a Path of Exile or a Diablo 3 and 4 or 2. That you actually just press a button and you can just walk, it's really your movement is pressing a button with a dice. Then you choose. You can go backwards. You can actually you can go forward. You can up and down. You can go in any direction basically. So that is the kind of the fun thing. There is a fog, a black carpet first, so you don't know what's there. But eventually, when you unlock everything, you will see some events going on there. You see dungeons, you see cities, you see other events what appear. Now, and what I also want to do is every month or two, we having yeah, some other events, or every month some other events what you can do, like unique dungeons what you can go into from the city. I will make an area for there. Well, I will update then an area, and I will say, okay, guys, when you go there, there is something where you can go and enter the dungeon realm, like that, and then you can actually go into, yeah, some grinding phase of the game. I still need to make the inventory thing. I need to have the banking system still set up. So it will be very, very interesting how I'm going to handle this with this. So yeah, it's basically it's really, yeah. So that's actually really nice to see what's going on there. Um, but yeah, I mean, I must say it's quite nice for to see that everything is going to fall together as a thing. So um, I really like this concept. What I'm building. It's only uh yeah we are very slow because we are independent, or I mean we need to um yeah, we need to calculate. We need to find out where we need to go to and how we connect everything together. What I have already in my screen. So like here, everything in this, all the scripts. I actually need to update them. I need to change them because that was from a previous work. I made some mistakes in there, but this what I make in this script is actually really really nice. What I'm basically doing is I will try to explain what I'm doing there. Um, so I can delete this, by the way. Go away. So let's uncomment this for a bit so I can explain what's going on there. Can I uncomment this? Stock a comment. That's okay, cool. Let's move this away because I'm gonna explain you a little bit on how my stuff is working. The tiles. We're actually going to define with the numbers up here in this area on this 5. I will scroll a little bit up for making you a little bit easier to see what I'm doing there. So can I not close this for a bit? Let's do it like that. So that 5 on a city, that is the hex tile where the city is. When you go on that tile, it will load up this config file. And that will take you to the city map. And in this city, you will spawn on somewhere where you can walk freely. And that's the same with dungeons. So we have a number of where it is. A spawn tile, we have the number 1. We need to define which one is 1. So that will be a fun thing. So we need to discuss what tile that is. And from there, we're going to make the game going to happen. And that's basically everywhere. Like a shop, when you have a tile in the world that is a shop. So that's also what you can do. And but then it will load an event, or that it says, okay, when you are how you say that, when you are coming on that tile, you are saying, okay, hey man, you are landing on a shop thing, an NPC that sells something. So will you do a trade or sell something? So that's kind of what I try to do here. And the fun thing is the regions, like Estrial Forest is just an example one. I will say, okay, which hex tiles belongs to that forest. Also, which enemies you can see there, like goblins or wolves in this example. But also when you are in another region, like Ashen Plains, where the tiles 11 towards 20, I can define that. And we have the enemy pool for skeletons and ghouls. And it's an encounter chance is yeah, a little bit higher than that one. But yeah, that's kind of how I'm going to do the the stuff on there. Now the dices are here available is only 4. I have only 4 as movement. So for me, I can actually delete this, and I can only have that as a thing. Um, yeah, that's kind of how I do it. Also, how you can do the enemies. I have here a sort of yeah, enemy statement, if you want to say it like that. A goblin, a minimum level, he is level 1. A max level, he can be 4. HP 25. He does an attack of 5 damage. Uh, he can throw a dice. Now, I'm not doing really a dice with that guy because he's just attacking. So I really need to see how I'm going to do that thing. So yeah, it's quite interesting how I will do that thing over there. Uh, but yeah, you can actually do a lot, and yeah, I kind of like my stuff here. It's really cool. And rewards, it can be anything, but I mostly reward this with gold and XP, and that you can just buy with gold, or that we have a little bit more an expanding database, and then I can say, okay, well, you can get this type of thing, and just give it up there. So yeah, this is a quite nice concept what I have, and I only need to work it out with yeah, with an AI here, but that's okay. I mean, it's for a good cause, and I must say I actually love everything what I'm seeing, and yeah, so far I must say it's really nice because this is how what the start looks like. The main screen first. So a title screen. I still need to make the game name on it. So it's quite nice, Um, soon I want to build first the first world. Then we really need to test everything out. So the combat things and whatnot. So yeah, the game version you see that above in the right corner is really in the alpha phase stage. So you have a nice settings here below. I actually love this. And if I say you guys, this is AI generated, that looks absolutely fantastically good. So I have a new game. You can enter your game name. You accept the name and you can go inside. Of course, I still need to add that it will load the female one or the male one, but I can change that easy. We still have yeah, just easy things. So yeah, so that's kind of a nice thing to have. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff. So here you see that name in here behind me. If you see that, I will actually get no other side. So in that blue, you see actually main menu ready, and you see the hero name, what I just typed in. So it is working. It's only yeah, like I said, I need to attach every string to the coding with AI. But my ideas are really nice, and I actually hope that I can work it out on a good way. So yeah, that's kind of what I like about this project. It it teach me a lot, guys. I need to be honest on that. It will show me a lot more stuff than I wanted to, because it's kind of overwhelming for me. So, but I must say, I really like how it's going. So I actually need to put this crash tracker a little bit that. Oh, I need to set the layout a little bit more differently. I don't know what you're saying there. Oh wait, that I was forgotten. Scripts. I got player. Well, I have player CD script. Why are you not making the whole thing? I mean, crazy guy, right? Superior. All right. Well, good luck, I guess. Game state. I don't have a game state, but I mean, you know, like add the scripts over there. Save. Save all. I was still busy with finding the right one. Let me see. Side quest is there. We actually need to put it up here on this screen over there. We need to make it over there. And I still need to make another dice for this. Because when you press Q, you actually make a rolled dice. So we already make that happen. So that's kind of cool. I only need to make that text a lot bigger, if I be honest. So so let's fix that quest tracker thing, and then we do the rest of the thing. Oh yeah, I need to update this one. Did I already did that? I kind of forgot. Oh yeah, I did that. I feel so smart today, guys. Okay, now I need to move a ton back. Uh, uh-huh, uh-huh. That guy is always talking. All right. It's not there. It's not there. The gap. The gap. I don't have a control over there. We need to add the quest tracker position. So let's do that first. Anchor anchor top right. Did I say this already? Save all. Thank you. So I need to add the quest tracker layout. Top left. Top right. I think center right is perfect, but center right. What was he saying again? 150. Well, I'm gonna put it a little bit more, in my opinion. I just gonna make it like that. No, that's that. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, transform. Positioning. I was kind of forgotten where you put it in. That's quite a lot, if I be honest. So 50 is might correct. Yeah. Okay. Fine by me. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Minus 20. Well, I think I need to do that a little bit more. I think I need to do that a little bit position a little bit less. Because we have also we have also a text what's coming on. So let's say 50, something like that. Or we just keep that on 1700. Yeah, I think I will keep it like that. Or 1650, something like that. 6. I might put it on 80. And the reason why is, yeah, you expand it. So yeah, that's kind of why I'm saying that. And he was also saying about the layout a little bit. The silver look, yeah, I don't really care about that stuff. Okay, where are you, man? The ghost look. All right. Panel, create a new style box. Styles, panel. Go to override styles. Okay. I love this. All right. Layout. You can close styles. Panel. Okay. What settings are we using? Create a new style box flat. I don't need that really because it was already that. It was set background color set to 0. I think it was already to 0 if I be honest. Yeah, background color is already 0. Do I really need to create a new one? I mean, really? Do I really need to create a new one? I mean, really? Okay. That's kind of weird. All right. Ah, that was the one. That goes to 0. Okay. Fully transparent. Okay. Border with left. I don't want a border. Yeah, I don't want a border. I kind of like this. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. But I can give it a little bit of a color. Because otherwise it's kind of too white in my opinion. But I want to have it more in the black. RGB. Liner. Hex. Swatches. That's a lot better. Recent colors. I don't have really black. Thank you. So I can make this as an alpha thing. So like that. So you can see through. I don't really need to make a border because I don't like that. I don't really like that. I want to see how it goes. Huh. Okay. I think I still need to make that a little bit different. I'm not happy with the positioning. So let's do that here. I don't like the positioning. So I'm going to be honest on that. I will put that on 50 because I think we still need to have some text. And if the text is not right, yeah, that's a lot better. We might need to see it when we are testing the game fully. Now the reason I don't want to have borders and kind of stuff, I actually want that you see that you see actually the time. I mean that you actually see your yeah, your things. That you see the surroundings. So that's kind of what I try to do here. Believe it or not, guys, those two characters I generate that with AI. Believe it or not. So I like this a lot. I mean this. I really love this a lot. Kind of crazy how everything works. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the results so far. Need to see what we can go further. Hmm. I already had that. All right. I'm a little bit further away than I was. Hold on. I need to see what I'm going to do next. Can you tell me what we done so far? Yeah, I still need to make. I need to see when pressing L. That is actually your logs, your quest logs. We open the quest logs. There you can see what quest you done. You done. And what you are doing at that moment. And when we discover more quests, it will add it to that log. The quest log contains more information for that quest, like when a player can be stuck and need a bit of direction where to go. And might even show what rewards they get after completing that quest. A separated scene. Uh, Biden into the zones, worlds for Asia. Tracking the quest, but not the info where uh, where yeah, so that's actually what I wanted to try to do. Quest buttons. What? you know, I actually like how AI is talking when you having other projects and he's remembering that. Uh, he's also adding that to the chat. Like I have a project for making an AI for what you can just download and just put it on your thing and uh, actually can play games with. That's where I'm busy on the side too. Um, but I feel sometimes that he's saying, okay, well he's calling the name of the AI, what I'm creating. He's like, oh yeah, let's do it like this way, like the aura thing. That's what he is naming my AI. I totally disagree with that name, but uh, he's always saying that. So he's always saying, yes, we do that on the oral way, and we're going to build through that concept. I'm like, dude, we are busy with a game, not with making an AI thing. But I mean, it's just crazy, dudes. Just crazy, guys. It's just really crazy, man. So, left hand side of the quest. We share the socket that I can have. I need to go to quests. I actually need to see what I need to do there, guys. So I have two quests log. Okay. Why not? Why not a weird thought here? But not better to call it in the so we only make it visible, yes or no? Please tell me then the steps how to create that quest log thing for in the hot panel. All right. You will create a new branch. Okay. Still miss something. The what? I'm just looking at where scroll container left side. Okay. I'm just looking. Look. This is kind of what I meant. Step 4, the aura polish. That guy is crazy, guys. Uh, mm, I'm still looking for inside the quest already. So this is the quest one in the zone. I'm just trying to see what he's trying to say to me. I must say, he is telling me bit by bit on how that goes. And so far, I kind of understand it. And I really say it's really, really nice. I actually really love this one. What? Mm. I don't know why I need to add this. In here, we might need to tell what is the in the story, or that it is a side quest. So that is actually really good. Reward gold, but XP status F. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I'm fine with that. I'm just trying to see what he is trying to say. But I need to make this first. This is on top of your info bar and action bar. Okay. Question log overlay. I will do a control for that. So that's kind of what I'm going to do. Control. We are going to have a lot of stuff, guys. So let's put that inside there. Info bar that. I actually love this stuff. I really love that stuff, man. So we need to add a control into this. Add, we need to have a control in there. Create. I need to do that on top of everything. So that's where it starts. We need to make that as quest log overlay. Not sure that I need to tell with the script that he's not. Yeah. Quest log overlay. He's actually saying it. He's actually saying that in here. Yeah, he's actually saying that in here. So that's good. So I need to put that on top, and then I need to add the rest below it for the functions. So let's make that. What was the name again? Dude. So it will be the name questlog overlay. Okay. And then I need to add Is it the same thing? A new branch. Okay. Huh? How? How is that? How's that precisely working, guys? That's kind of what I'm wondering about. Okay. Full rect and visibility set visible to false. Well, let's keep it first on visible, otherwise we don't see anything. I mean, so I kind of like to do this stuff. Quest overload layout. All right. What you were saying first? My my head is really not correct this day. Full rect. Why full rect? Oh yeah, yeah. I understand why. Center this on the screen. Journal panel. Let's make copy the name. Journal panel. Now I must say, you go really faster and faster and faster in in where you when you are center or center, right? Center this on the screen. Yes. Give it a dark charcoal background. Right. And a gold border. I don't really need to want a gold border, but alright. Okay. Um yeah, give it dark. Okay. I'm just looking and I'm like, yes, buddy. So new style was flat. Let's go this. Let's go flat. Let's make this a little bit more. I kind of like that. Fine. What do we have more? Oh yeah, and the free gold border. color. I give it like a, you know, that for the width. He said 3. Okay. I always say 4. Oh, no, 3 is right, actually. Oh, yeah. I need to see this. Oh, yeah. That looks not bad. That is quite nice, actually. Alright, let's go back. It kind of looks messy, but it is not really, I might want to have a round thing, but that's, can I, oh, I can actually do that. I can actually do that. Corner radius. Is that it? Oh, I love that. I actually love that, man. 10. Then I'm not sure that it will look great. But for now, that looks quite nice. We still need to see that in full, in full thing, of course. I'm very good with my words today. Let's create inside the journal. Scroll container, left side. Okay. A scroll container contains a VBox container named category list. We love that. Okay, let's do that. Scroll container, do I have that already? I don't have that? Oh, wow. Scroll. This is the first time that I actually used this. I'm not done yet. And we add a VBox container. Alright, that worked. And we need to say what it will named. Contains VBox container name category list. We need to copy that precisely how he is saying it. Otherwise, it is really messing up with the wrong stuff. So we need to rename this one. And the scroll container doesn't have a name. Oh shit! I've got do that. Oh, I've horizontal split. Oh my god. How can I forget that? Uh, um, H put container create. Need to put that inside of there. Did I did that correctly? I mean, that's kind of what I wonder about. I think do I need to do there? I don't have a margin container, man. I don't have a margin container, man. I'm not sure what he's talking about. I'm not sure what he is saying. I don't have a. I don't have that. I think he's totally crazy, man. So, in that, in that, I will go there. Okay, scroll container. Okay, yeah. This is what I was talking about. I mean, oh Lord, Jesus. This was I talking about. The scroll container. Okay, cool. The first child tree position is Must be the first child under the history. Okay, that's cool. I have that. I have that. So I have that. Size flag. Size flag. Okay. Where the hell do you do that? Well, I do not know. Oh wait, it's fill. It's just only fill, fill, and then expand. Minimum size 250. Okay. Oh wait, like that. Ah, okay. X is 250. X is 250. Okay, fine by me. I'm quite happy with this. A V-Box container. Now I need to add another one, if I'm not mistaken. Scroll container, properties, horizontal scroll bar. Is that a thing? Container sizing, is that what he meant? Scroll container properties. I don't see scroll thing. I don't see that really. Uh, where are you seeing that? Because I do not see that. I see only this. I feel really. I don't really see it. You see something as a scroll. Well, I need to be honest. I don't really see that. I might be crazy, but I don't really see this. Oh, wait. I need to undo this. I did something wrong there, guys. Hold on. I feel really freaking stupid. I feel really stupid. I feel really stupid at the moment. Okay. I think I did something wrong there, but let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes. It only contains a VBox container with the name category list. So I did it totally wrong, guys. Oh, I feel stupid right now. Really stupid, but we are learning. We are learning here. A split container is with 900 and 600. 900 and 600. Why not that much? I think I did something wrong. Center? I did a center. I don't want to mess this up. uh, 900, 600. Can't be a little bit more, man. Put it on 1,000. That's a little better. Okay, let's do this again. Size flag. Okay. Oh, I did it really wrong this one. I'm not going to say that, but I actually did that wrong, man. I don't have that. So I scroll. I have that. Theme of right, constant separation. Okay, separation. Okay, separation. Then, I mean 12. Is that 20? 20. Okay. I like that. I kind of like that. I still think I did something wrong there, but I feel that I'm really messed up at the moment. Okay, fee books. Let's do the properties first of that guy. I'm kind of lost here, but that's okay. Ooh, I get a little bit sleepy. But I want to make this first, so I done this first. Yeah, I got a rich label, and a Haybox container. I got a label, quest title. So that's great. A quest type thing. I have a label over there. Create. Then we have quest description. 2 times a rich text label. Rich text label. I love this stuff. I will tell you that, guys. It goes there. Then we need to have another one with a quest hint. We still need to have this done, but I think I will do that tomorrow, something like that. Quest hint. That an box container. I must say I kinda like this. It's kinda fun to create this stuff. I really truly say this. It I'll tell you, this is actually really, really cool to create this stuff. It's so cool. It's just so cool, guys. I'm going to be totally honest. All right. Let's see what. Okay. Okay. Actually, that was not really my meaning. Okay. Fine by me. Oh shit. I did something wrong there. Hold on. Nope, that's the wrong one. I see this. I still love that stuff, man. I still love that shit. I need to be honest about that. Okay. Oh wait. Feedbox container, a size flags, horizontal center. Okay. Okay. The hungry side. Tree position. Horizontal set. Expand and fill. Size. Okay. Expand and fill. The other one is also expand and fill. I think I did something wrong there. I need to scroll up. Hold on. I did center this on the screen. I don't know what I see. Well, I see this. Okay. I really need to read up a little bit more about this. That's okay. Can I not give this a dark override, man? I mean, no, I said this wrong. Is it? I said that wrong. But it does nothing. So I kind of wonder what's happening there. I'm really thinking, but I got this. It's kind of weird. Really weird, this. I might need to see where and how it precise work. Oh yeah, that's what I tried to do. Oh, I was forgotten that. 20 or 15, 15. I must say it's quite interesting to build a game up from scratch. Building everything up is really interesting. It's quite interesting because it contains so many things. Um and that's what it is. It contains so many things in a scene. What you need to create or what you need to create. It's really crazy. Quest title. Alright. Let's do that for a bit. Quest title. Horizontal alignment is left. That's correct. Quest description. Oh wait, auto rep mode. Word. Alright. Word. Okay. Quest description. Size flag. Expand and fill. BB code enabled. Size flags. Do we have that? I don't see size flags. R pushes the hint and rewards to the bottom. Okay, expand and fill. Okay. Okay. Auto rep mode. How do you say that? Not sure. Quest hint. Size max vertical, shrink center, or fill. I think I will go for fill. Not sure why this is doing nothing. Shrink center. That's from horizontal. Vertical. Reward container. String end. Alright. Okay. It's kind of a weird thing though. I never done this, so I must be honest. This is just weird. I only got a lot of errors. But I will do that another time because I feel my eyes is shutting down, guys. And sadly, I need to go. I sadly need to go. Yeah, it was really nice, guys, that you were here. And I must be honest, it's quite interesting what I learned about these things. I still need to read up a few things what Gemini was creating. It was kind of confusing me. So I must really say it's kind of it's kind of crazy how things were created in a game like this, or at least in a game engine like this. I must be honest. It looks quite fun, and yeah, I wanted to say I'm back tomorrow, but I need to do a few things. So I'm not sure that I will stream. I still need to do a few things in the evening. So I hope that I can stream, but I will check it later. I will check it tomorrow that I'm able to. But I think I will stream. I think, but it depends on a few things. Wednesday I'm not streaming. Uh, I got visitors. Thursday I got also visitors, and Friday I'm able to stream again. So probably yeah, we have that as a schedule. So so like I said, I hope that I can stream tomorrow, but I will see. And I will keep you informed on Discord, also on Twitch in the information panels. I have set a news panel for that. So everything what you can read about channel news, you can read it up there if you don't want to go to Twitter or anything else. Um, so that being said, uh, we made some progress. I'm not very happy with the results, but you know that's a thing what I will see. Uh, if not, we will definitely continue tomorrow. Now, and the reason why I'm doing Godot now at the moment is somehow uh Roblox Studio is causing a lag, causing a lot of lag for me for streaming. Because if I make busy when I'm busy in a Roblox Studio, it lags badly with loading the material service, loading the materials, what can lead to encoder problems inside OBS. So that is not really a fun thing. So I really need to see how I can fix that because I really want to continue on the things what we are doing there, especially with my old project. We are making maps at the moment. I have brilliant map ideas, so I definitely want to continue with that. But I'm also looking for, uh, yeah, I also see that really like this project. Oh, that I really like this project a lot because I'm learning a lot about programming, although it is done by AI for me. But visual, I might need to draw myself the maps. Um, so that will be a nice thing to do. But yeah, it will be okay, and yeah, we will see how that goes. But yeah, I need to create my own the maps because if I do AI generated, it's not really not always what I wanted. Although they make good sections, but always with water, with lakes and mountains, they kind of messing up. So I might need to see how I am going to do the look of the world map. Um, but I want to make it perfectly clean and nice looking. So you guys can have it visually having a nice world map. I have other programs installed, so where I can make maps with. So I still need to find out how I need to do it, but if I know how and what, and probably I need to invest more money into subscriptions based map things. Um, but that will be a challenge. What I need to see, and that I actually planning to do that because that's a lot of work. So until then, yeah, to tomorrow. Yeah, guys, I really wish you a great day. And like I always say, be chill, be relaxed, and always be yourself, whatever you do in your life. And I wish you a great day. And I will see you tomorrow if everything goes well. And if not, I will see you Friday because then I'm back with streaming. And yeah, until today, I wish you a great day. And I see you, well, tomorrow. Goodbye, folks. Have a good one.